Dear students, now we can move to the third factor which will affect the rate of chemical reaction. That is surface area. What is surface area? The area which is able to react. That is the face we can see. That is surface area. So when surface area increases, the number of molecules which can take part in chemical reaction increases. Let us take a marble piece and powdered marble piece in dilute hydrochloric acid, which will react fast. Usually we know powdered marble is react fast because each particle has the phase which will react with hydrochloric acid, but in the case of a marble piece, it will not react that much fast. Okay, so by powdering the reactant, the speed of reaction increases.
Different effects on reaction rates, and today we're looking at the effect of surface area. And once again, I have two beakers that are filled up with water, and again we're doing this looking at it from the point of view of a physical change, the dissolving of sugar in water, but again the same thing happens in relation to a chemical change. Now what I need to do is I have one sugar cube that I'm going to place into this beaker as a whole, and it has a very low surface area because not all of the cube is exposed. And with the second cube I'm going to place it in this mortar and pestle, and I'm going to break it up. So now, as you can see, I've just turned it into just regular sugar. Before I put them into the various beakers, again, the write-up will come up onto the screen. Can you pause it, please? Copy it down into your book, and then when you are ready, you can both into the water, like so. We'll start the stopwatch, and to speed up the reaction, because obviously it could take a while, I'm basically just going to stir. Now when you do this, you need to make sure that you stir at around about the same rate, because otherwise it would be an unfair experiment. Now we've gone 15 seconds and we've broken up a little bit of the large sugar cube. The crushed sugar cube has basically done most of the dissolving. We're at the 30-second mark now, and that's basically it. So it's taken 37 seconds to dissolve the one in the crushed sugar cube, and as you can see we're still going as we get towards the minute mark of the whole sugar cube. Okay, so we'll stop it there because we've actually got our good set of results. So you can see there's still some that's present in the bottom. As per usual, can you please complete your experiment write-up, and if you have any problems, please consult your teacher. Thank you very much.
Now the fourth factor is temperature. When temperature increases, the rate of reaction increases. Let us take an example. If you take a sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid in a test tube, and if we heat it, one test tube we have to heat, another kept it as it is. So a test tube which is heated will react fast and sulfur is deposited very fast. From this experiment, we can come to conclude that temperature increases the speed of chemical reaction. That is, each particle has a minimum energy to take part in chemical reaction. This minimum energy is called threshold energy. So after getting the threshold energy, they will react fast, they will move fast and collide each other and take part in the chemical reaction. So temperature increases the speed of chemical reaction. The last factor is catalyst. Catalysts are the substances which take part in chemical reaction without undergoing chemical change. If we take hydrogen peroxide in a test tube, and if we show a matchstick or an instant stick, and it will burn. If we add manganese dioxide to this hydrogen peroxide, it will burn very fast, and phosphoric acid, if we add, it will react or it will burn slowly. That is, manganese dioxide increases the speed of chemical reaction. It is called positive catalyst, and for hydrogen peroxide, this phosphoric acid reduces the speed of reaction, so it is called negative catalyst. In the production of ammonia, iron, spongy iron is used as positive catalyst, and in the case of sulfuric acid, vanadium pentoxide is taken as positive catalyst.